next one we would like to introduce the square shelf. Square shelf. Square shelf. Square shelf, we have a different size. This square shelf is 35 by 35. This is 45 by 45. These two are 45. Four shelves, 5 shelves. This 4 shelves is 1.2 meter high, and this is 1.5 meter. They are all 19 poster diameter, but for the square shelf we also have 14 posts for 30 size and 25 size. We have 2 sizes for the 14 poster square shelf. Now the most popular square shelf now in the market is 19. Is this size, 45 by 45. And these two, the color is different. Both chrome and powder coating finish now we are selling well, especially black color. So if you like this item square shelf, please tell us the item number CJB 1513. And the 4 shelf, the item number is CJB 1512. And the 35 size, the small one, the item number is CJB 1512. Okay, please contact our sales for the better price. And the last storage shelf, we would like to introduce the basket rack. The basket rack now, these two are selling very well in the market. And this is its package. So the picking mat is additional. This is the original product. It's not steady, so we can adjust the leveling feet to make the rack more steady. So you see that. This item number is CJC 1318. The poster diameter of these two are 14. The size for this item is 45, 35. The height is 1.5 meter. And the top shelf now is a flat shelf. If you like the top shelf, the basket shape, we also can do for you. Now it's 4 baskets, 1 flat shelf. And chrome finish. Both chrome finish and now this item chrome finish is more popular in the market, but we also can make it a powder coating finish. And this is the package for this item. You see that the size is very small. It's just the shelf size. So this item, the poster will be connected by 3 pieces. And this item, the item number is CJC 1117W with wheels. It's 4 baskets. Each basket, the size is 45 by 25. And the basket depth of these two are 80. And each basket space is adjustable according to your stuffings. For the basket, it's better to storage bottle, bottle products and bowl. So if you like our basket product, please leave us message, the item number. so it's not move out. And the bottle product, do you have bottle product? For kitchen and for kitchen use, jackknife this way. So these two are very hot selling our Asian market and European market and online US market. If you like it, please contact our sales for a better price.